This is the sofa straight from IKEA. So the only problem is I might have not paid for assembly, so it's gonna be the first time trying to assemble a sofa. So this is something I've never done before. I'm up for new experiences. So let's just see what it's like. So this is the view of the living room. That's where the TV is going to be. That's the coffee table at the moment, and that's my fold-up sofa bed, which has been serving me fine for the short amount of time that I've had it. But this is where the sofa is going to go, and yeah, I'm just going to try and do what I can.
So as I found out very quickly, sofas are quite heavy if you don't have anyone else to help you move the damn thing. So you can see me struggling here trying to move my sofa into the living room first, and then just literally doing a whole unbox and assembling myself. But luckily, because it's IKEA, generally this sofa was quite easy to build, which I'm super grateful for. I did have to throw away a lot of cardboard because it was quite large.
Alright guys, that is the sofa made. Unless you get like a really soft one to begin with, they obviously start off a little firm, which this one is a little bit, but it gets softer over time, which will be alright. But for now, it's so much nicer to sit on. Just a quick finish as well. If there's any like furniture stores or if there's any online retailers that want to help furnish this new flat before the tour, then obviously that would be much appreciated. I will totally, show it off. I will make it look as aesthetic as possible. So yeah, if anyone wants to sponsor me, give me a shout. Rest of the flat tour coming soon, so look out for that.